think I'm second best, someone that you could forget. Got me drinking that healing, sinking in this feeling. Will you be the time, giving me the signs of life? Making you are clear, but you're gonna leave me in the deep.
Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we'll be installing tweeters. We have these 3 sets and these 2 that we didn't install last time with the speakers. So we have these 2 that will use this bracket over here on the side of the car, and then we have this. So we'll have 3 or rather 4 tweeters on one side and 4 on the other side, hoping the sound experience would be better. So we'll have the small ones coming here, and then the rest, one of them will be here, the other one here, and the third one in the back, same as this other side. Then I also got better speaker wire, which I think is stronger, and I would also use it later for more speakers, or rather the rear speakers and the subwoofer. So I think the quality of this will be great. So first we'll start with just linking this tweeter to the bracket. Then we can take out the doors, start with this, and then identify locations for these tweeters. We have to take out the panels from the car, so stay tuned. So we have the tweeters inside these panels, and I think once you have it situated, I think it's permanent enough, it's stable enough, so we most likely do not need these other brackets that came with it. So both of them are now inside. Next thing would be to just take the door off, splice these wires to the crossover, or rather connect them with these other tweeters and then splice them to the crossover. So for the tweeter, this is a new one, this is the old bracket. So what I need to do is just take this connector out, and put it here, and then I probably need to take this rubber. I don't know if I need to, maybe not. And then we'll just try to put it in there this way. I have to figure out how it's gonna go inside there, and this other side, and because I don't think this is an exact fit. So unless we'd have to do it, we'd have to take out the door and then put it inside and then put the door probably on top. There's no other way we can make this work, but we'll try it out and see. So this is what I meant. We can just have it there, then just put the door on top and see if it's gonna go inside. If it doesn't, then we'll have no choice but to do some modifications. So I can't figure out a way on how I can have the wires run out of that cord inside. So what I'll do, I'll just have the wires naked. So I'll have the wires probably around the speaker and then probably outside close here, and then just run them inside this panel to the back, to here and the back, and then one will just come up here to the side over here and then connect it with this one, unless I figure out how I can run these wires inside this thing. I have no other way to run them. So I'm starting with the back side, so I'll just make a hole here, run the cord down here all the way down to join with this side. I'll probably just run it all the way down, run the other tweeter from here down, connect them all the way at the front.
I never see the lights out. They get me.
So the tweeter is installed. This on this side and the other one on the other side. And I just connected it to this. It came with it. And I think the cable is kind of long enough to go all the way to the front. So I'll just run it inside here, or I can also run it inside this panel. You just have to lay down the seat and then run it all the way down through this panel down here, and then leave it hanging somewhere here so I can connect the other tweeter here and they can meet at the bottom.
Fancy on a fast car. This is how you make me feel. Don't stress me now. I got the overdose. I'm feeling it in my bones. And if you say that I'm lying to you, these habits are killing me. I wish I could fall asleep. The problem is you. Oh, I got the overdose.
So I'll just fold the wires here and just put them under the seat. Probably find another place for them later. And as I mentioned, this wire was long enough. So for now I'll just leave them here. These two, this is for the one in the back and the one in the middle. now we have that one side done. You can see that dot and the other one in the back. So now we just work on this other side, and we have already that one set, so we just work on this too, and then we'll do the wiring later. So now we're getting on to the actual wiring. So we have these three two connections for the three tweeters on the sides, and then we have the one over here that will just link it up to the rest, and then we can connect it to the crossover and test if it's actually working.
I see what he loves about you. You're so perfect. Hope you know that you got everything. I messed up and I'm haunted. And if I'm being honest, I see what he loves about you. You're so perfect. Hope you know that you got everything. I messed up and I'm haunted. And if I'm being honest,
we now have all the connections in. So in the crossover, we're done with the wiring. The tweeters are connected. Let me just play some music.
I was a lonely silhouette, needed somebody to show the way. Yeah, I was a heartbeat with no sound till you came around. Yeah, you showed me colors, light in the darkness. You were the only thing I needed. Then we got older, but we stayed the same. Swear that we never lost the flame. Nostalgia, you're an echo in my head. Oh, nostalgia, like a symphony of our memories. Oh, nostalgia, don't you ever.
Just confirmed everything works well. So I'll just run this back inside, and then probably leave this one somewhere here. But anyway, main thing was the connections work perfectly, and the tweeters are working great, and the sound is greatly improved. So let me work. I'll just put back the doors, and then we'll be good to go.
I see what he loves about you.
So everything's wired back. The door is the door is now back inside. This is what I was talking about, having the wire outside. I have no choice. Same with the other side. So I'll just clean up, and I think I'm good to go. Everything's pretty set. The sound is now great. I'll also share the link down below for where you can get these tweeters, and you can also watch the previous video on how I installed the 2 speakers on the side, and watch out for the next video on how we'll replace the rear speakers and eventually the sub. So thank you for tuning in. As always, if you enjoyed the video, like, share, subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.